afternoon, friends. Today we discuss about. Today I will tell you one of the story. Okay, listen carefully. Sunita. Sunita is a very intelligent and talented girl. She is also fastest runner. But what happens once she met with an accident and her leg become damaged? Her leg become damaged. To take doctor suggest to take 3 months rest, bed rest. She don't able to walk now. What happens? Her friend Anjali come to meet her to see how she is, and she want to say some words to her. So then both are talking like that. Sunita said, "My God is not grateful, merciful for me. God is not merciful for me because God is damaged my leg." She is blaming the God. She makes that the God is responsible for her accident. So then Anjali, our friend Anjali, says that no, you don't blame God because we must be grateful to God because God has given us everything. See others, some people don't have eyes by birth. So by birth they become handicapped. By birth they become deaf and dumb. So compared to them, we are lucky to get all the organs well, and still you are also good in everything. But you are also taking rest only 3 months, after that you will walk. So she said that, and we must be grateful to God because God has given everything to us. This is the incident what I want to share with you. Okay, are you listening to this incident? Okay, if you have any doubts about in this story.
Who did Anjali compare to Sunita?
Yes, Anjali compared to Sunita to physically handicapped. Physically handicapped, but by birth they don't have the eyes, legs, ears. Okay, so she compared to them and she said we are lucky to compare to them. Okay, next. If you have any doubt in this incident,
Why did Anjali say to be grateful to God?
yes. Why do we grateful to God? We must grateful to God because God has given to us everything. Every organs we have every organs in working condition. Okay, we have all organs in working conditions. So God has given us. So we grateful to God. Okay. Okay, listen here, friends. Today, I said this story incident because we have that poem that the gratefulness. Poem, the gratefulness. Gratefulness poem. Written by Joseph P. Renarde. Joseph P. Renarde. Okay. Joseph P. Renarde, the poet, is the great poet Joseph P. Renarde. Now we know about poet. Joseph P. Renarde. You go to the page number 45. Go to the page number 45. You go and open the page number 45. Are you open? Speak. Okay. Joseph P. Renarde originally from Wingburg, Pennsylvania, has spent 40 years in the field of education. Since his retirement, he spent much of his time in the visual arts, especially writing, painting, drawing, and woodcraft. See here, listen here. His originally first is original place is Windber. Original place is Windber. He was born there. He was a Pennsylvanian. Okay, he is working in the education field. Education means ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಒಂದು ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಇಯರ್ 40 years. He worked in that 40 years since his retirement. Since his retirement, he spent much of his time in visual arts. Visual arts. Visual arts means here what we see in the art. What we see in the art, that is visual art, which affects our needs eyes. Means especially writing art, writing skill, paintings, drawings, and also woodwork. They make many crafts, many moments in the wood. Many moments in the wood. Okay, we see in that shop, there gift, wooden gift is there. Okay, things in the wood they prepare. That is called wood craft. His popular poems are a binding relationship. A binding relationship. Binding relationship is one of the famous one. Another one is a birthday greeting. A birthday greeting. Birthday greeting and a beautiful harvest. A beautiful harvest. A bountiful, beautiful Allah. A bountiful harvest. Bountiful. Okay. A bountiful harvest. These are the main works of Joseph T. Ranade, and he is the author of The Willing Wind, a tale of love and ambitions, and an assortment of poetry. His poem Graduation Day is the most read to all the poems he has written. Famous poem. His famous poem is Graduation Day. Graduation Day is his famous poem. Okay. So most of the people are read this poem. This is the introduction about poet Joseph T. Ranade. Okay. Now we go through the poem. Okay, listen here. Are you? Have your eyes? Eyes. How many eyes do you have? Two eyes you have. Okay. What is the work of eyes? See. Okay. Seeing everything. Okay. The eyes is seeing everything. We have two eyes. Okay. That's why we must be grateful to God. God has given us two eyes. See for everything. Okay, here is a poem, beautiful poem from Joseph T. Ranade. We grateful to God. Why we grateful to God? Here is he explained in this poem. Before you listen only, I will read the poem. Listen carefully. Okay. I am grateful for the eyes that I can see, the activities that can be done by me. I am grateful for the ears that I may hear the suffering of those who need me near. I am grateful for the lips that might speak words of comfort and peace to all who seek. I am grateful for a mind that I might know how to aid those who need me so. I am grateful for the hands that I might do some arduous or simple task for you. I am grateful for the ability to always pray, to give me the strength and guidance every day. I am grateful for one thing all else above, that I was given a heart that I may love. Here, how the poet says the gratefulness to the God. I am grateful for the eyes. Yes, we have the eyes. That can I see. Yes, we are seeing the whole world. We are seeing the whole nature, whole world because of these two eyes. So, we must be grateful to the God and what we are doing, the activities, what are the works we are doing. We see through our eyes. Okay. So, that's why we must be grateful to God. The activities that can be done by me. I am grateful for the ears. Yes, I am grateful for the ears. That I may hear. That I may hear. We must hear. Okay. We are the what we are here. What you are hearing. What you are listening. Now you are listening poem. Okay. Many times you are all listening lessons, listening everything. Okay. Listening songs, listening stories. Okay. You are enjoying. And you are also listening your parents' guidance, teacher guidance, your friends' wishes, your friends' directions. Okay, you are all listening. So we are grateful to God because we have the ability to listen. God has given us 2 ears. God has given us 2 ears. Why we need this? According to poet, God has given us ears for listen or hear the sobbing of those who need me near. Sobbing means crying. Sobbing means crying. Sobbing means crying. Okay. Poet says that God has given us ears for listen or hear the others' problem. Those who near us. Those who near us, what they have the problems, we must listen their problems. We must listen their problems and give them some solution. Okay, give them some solution. That's why God has given us ears. Okay, according to point. Okay. I am grateful for the lips. I am grateful for the lips that might speak. That might speak. Are we able to speak without lips?
Yes.
Are we able to speak? No. Without lips we can't speak. Without lips we can't speak. Are you able to speak without lips? No. So we have the ability to speaking. Compared to other animals, human being is very lucky to have the speaking ability. Okay. So we must grateful to God. God has given us lips to speak. What we speak from the lips? According to poet, we must speak words of comfort and peace to all who seek. We must speak to give the peace to others. Give the peace to others. Our words must be give the peace to others, not hurt to others. Our words doesn't hurt to others. Our words must be give the peace and happy to others. Happy to others. So I am grateful for a mind that I might know how to aid those who need me so. Yes, we must be grateful because we have the mind, we have the thinking power, we have the thinking power. To why we need this thinking power? To help others, to help who the need our help. Those who are in the problem, those who are in the difficulties, we must be help. We must be help. So that's why, how do we help? Okay, there we see some people, some friends, they are in problem. Okay, how can we help them? We thinking. Okay, we think and decide how can we help them. So that is the power of thinking God has given us. So we must grateful to God. Listen here. Before that we see here the leaves. Okay. What are these? Eyes. Beautiful eyes. We are all have this type of eyes. Okay, to see the whole world and see whatever the activities we are doing. Okay. Okay, we are seeing the through these eyes. We are seeing through these beautiful eyes. God has given us beautiful eyes. See here, what is it? Ear. Okay, we have two ears for listening. We have two ears for listening. Are you listening to my words? Yes. Are you listening my poem? Yes. Okay, we have the ears for listening, the lesson, the guidance of teacher, and guidance of parents, and suggestion of friends. Okay. So we have these great things from the God. Okay. So here is another portrait for you. How the ears are working. How the ears are working. This is the ear picture. We see only this part outside, but this is all is inside. This is the working. This is the working picture of the ears. How the picture ear is working. Okay, this is in your science subject. You go through details in your science subject. Okay. You learn how the ears are working. Huh? After that, you must explain it. See here. What is this? Eyes. Eyes. This is eye. Friends, what we see. Only this we must see. This is the off part of the eye. Okay. How is inside the eyes? How is it work? How is work? This is the inside part of the eyes. This is the open, round. When it cuts, how it looks. Okay, these are the parts in the eyes. How they are working. You must, you will learn these things in your science subject. How the ears and eyes are working. Okay. See here, now we know about the ears and eyes. I like that we have many organs in our body. We must know how our body is working. Okay, in your science subject. Now we see here, according to poet, what are the use of these organs? According to poet, he says the mind we need to help. How to help? We think for how to help. Here, aid. Aid is the word. The aid means help. Aid means help. Okay. So I am grateful for the ants that I might do. I am grateful for ants that I might do. See here, we all have the two ants. Two ants. Why we need these ants? works and simple tasks. We can also do the simple work in with our hands. Okay, listen here. So God has given us two hands to do work, difficult work and simple work. I am grateful for the ability to always pray. Yes, we have the ability to pray for the God. We have the ability to pray the God, pray to the God. Okay, what we pray? What should we pray? What should we pray? Prayer, or you know that. Okay, what should we pray? Really? ಏನು ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀರಾ? We are praying God to that give us peace and happy. Okay, give us peace and happy. So we pray to the God. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, we also pray the God that give peace in the world, peaceful environment, peaceful environment. So here we have the ability. We have the ability to pray the God to give me the strength. So here, according to poet, we must pray to the God that give us strength, give us strength and guidance. God must be give guidance. God must be guide us. God is the great guider. Okay, He must be guide us every day. In every day, you must be guided. Means we pray to the God that please walk us in the right path. Show us in the right direction. Okay, we never go in the wrong way. Take care of us. Take care of us. God, we must pray to the God that please God help us to take a good decision. Take a good decision. So we always pray to the God for every day. Give the guidance of yours. So I am grateful for one thing. I am grateful for one thing. All else above that I was given a heart that I may love. That I was given a heart. Yes, God has given us heart. Why? To love everyone. To love everyone. God has given us heart to love everyone. Every animals, birds, human beings. We must love. We live with love. Okay. God has given us heart to love us. Here is the heart. Here the image of the heart. God has given us a small heart, but He was big task. Okay, He given us small heart, but give us big task. This small heart must be filled with love for all world. Love for all world. Because God has given us this heart to love everyone. Okay, love everyone. This work is very great. If we have the love, then we use these all organs to listen the others' problem, solving others' problem, okay, feel to others' problem. So that's why the art is great. The art is great. The God has given a very good gift for us to love everyone. Okay. See here. So we must be grateful to God every day. Every morning we must pray to the God. Every morning we must pray to the God to use these organs in the right direction for good purpose. God has given us these organs to do good work, to do good purpose. Use in the good purpose, use in the good direction. That's why we every day do the prayer to the God that make us do good thinking. make us to good thinking, and help to others, feed to others. Okay. So here, this is the poem. Now once again I read this poem. Listen carefully. I am grateful for the eyes that I can see, the activities that can be done by me. I am grateful for the ears that I may hear, the suffering of those who need me near. I am grateful for the lips that might be speak words of comfort to peace to all who seek. I am grateful for a mind that I might know how to aid those who need me so. I am grateful for hands that I might do some arduous or simple task for you. I am grateful for the ability to always pray, to give me the strength and the guidance every day. I am grateful for one thing, all else above, that I was given a heart that I may love. Okay, it's a very beautiful poem. Okay, I think you are all understand this poem. If you have any doubts, you can ask.
Why do we listen other words?
Why do we listen other words? Okay. We listening to the other words it helps us in many ways. Which we listen the other words, we understand their feelings and we understand their careness about us and we follow the direction of others. Okay. If we listen the other words, we definitely go in the right direction. We listen the words of parents, we go in the right direction. If we listen the words of teachers, we learn many things. Listen here. If we heard the friend's words, friend's suggestion, that feels us away right of our bad feelings, right of our difficulties, right of our pain. Okay. So words are helpful to us. Sit. Next. How do the eyes help us? But the eyes are helps us seeing the whole world and seeing what are the activities we are doing. Okay, how do we work? And we see through eyes what are, without eyes we can't do the work properly. Okay, independently we can't do the work. Then we need the others. Yes. Without eyes, if you close your eyes, you can't go to the school. Okay. If you are not eyes, how can you read? Okay. With the eyes, we are reading, we are watching. You are also watching movies, television, news, all world in television. Okay. So we must be grateful to God. Please.
How does ants break?
How does the ants are great? Sit down. The ants are great when we use these ants to do the useful work for society. Useful work for society. If we use these ants to useful work for the society, then our ants become great. When our ants become great. Okay. When we are doing the good works with the help of these ants, then these ants are become great. Okay. Then, if you have any questions, others, what about others? Okay.
Why do we grateful to God?
Why do we grateful to God? Please. God has given us all these organs in proper condition. In proper condition. And also God given a great art to use these organs to help others. Those who need, those who have the necessity of the helping. Those who have the necessity of the helping. Then we help. How do we help? We think how can we help them? We using eyes to help them. We using the ears to listen their words and help them. Okay. Listen here. We must be grateful to God So the poet suggests us we must be grateful because we have given by God all these organs in the proper condition. Through this poem, the poet give the direction and suggestion to that we must use these organs in the good purpose. These organs in the good purpose. Friends, very good. You are all listen very properly and you are also clear your doubts. Okay, thank you for your cooperation. You have listen very properly the poem. You also enjoy the poem. So now I give the homework. Homework is that you must write the work, write the task of our organs. Okay, one more question. Next, write the summary of the poem and tomorrow you must learn this poem because this is the memorization poem. This is memorization for you. You must memorize this poem. Tomorrow you sing. Okay, you sing this poem. Okay.